Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video will be continuing our series on the Blockchain Beginner's Guide, or the Beginner's Guide to the Blockchain Ecosystem, Cardano ecosystem, and I don't know if you remember the last video, we kind of went over the favorites in the Cardano ecosystem, plus or minus a few that are not included in here, like the JPEG store. But we'll go into that later. We'll be continuing off. We'll go into a couple more of these different sections. Analytics. These are all projects that are in these categories. And you can have multiple, like Pool Tool right here. It's in Pool Tool and Analytics. So kind of redundant stuff, but if we see any that we haven't seen before, then we'll cover it. But most of these have stuff kind of cross, like native tokens and analytics. They're in multiple groups. So we'll just kind of go through. Last video we went through the favorites, like I said, so go back and check some of these out if you aren't familiar with them. And going forward, I'll go over the little notes right here, but I won't go into every single project. Just kind of not specific to what you need to know. They're just cool tools to use on the blockchain itself. But ADA tools, it visualizes the nodes on a global. And actually, I want to check this out because this is really, really cool. It shows all of this is the whole ADA network coming out from, dang. The blockchain live stream. You check the blocks, transactions. I guess this is kind of a cool way to visualize it. And the traffic around the globe. Cardistat, a fresh look at pool performances for delegators in the ecosystem. Built as a progressive web application, ideal for mobile and desktop environments. So if you're a pool delegator, I can show you some stats. I've actually never been in here. Guess you can save. Okay. Yeah, you can get a lot of stats. Blocks paid. Your percentage. Yeah, how many delegators you have. Epoch fee. Lifetime epochs. How much you pledge. Live stake. So it's kind of cool. Not really useful for what you need, but CNFT Jungle is pretty great for finding NFT projects and also finding out the rarity of your NFT. So we'll go into some of the stats, like top sales. No, I want to go to Ape Society. So here you can check live listings for everything. A little chart that shows the price action. That's actually really cool. Ooh. Yeah, this thing's been above 1500 for a while. Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. So you can come in here and get a really good view on NFT stats, the assets that it has to offer, their ranking. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why it says number 0 right here. But this is really cool. Check the sales. Check your traits for everything. Wow. That's wild. 43,000 ADA. That's a pretty cool looking ape though. I want to see what's the most rare. Oh, dang. None of them. Interesting. The apes look dope. Yeah, you can go in here, and if you're buying NFTs and trying to flip them, you can easily go in there and I guess they got a sniping dashboard and stuff, but you can check for the rarities and get a good price for that that NFT. dApps on Cardano provides insights in decentralized apps on Cardano. See total transactions, total scripts locked, and script invocations. More for developers. Same with this Visual Blockchain Explorer. Similar to Cardano Scan. Halt Scam allows and provides a means of crowdsourcing risky Cardano addresses, allowing community members to contribute to the database and prevent their fellow adopters from falling victim to scams or solicitations. Interesting. Like to check out more of this. If this is a... Oh, it's Profiler now. So our mission is to protect the most secure blockchain, Cardano, against social engineering attacks by empowering you with multi-purpose profiling and investigation tools. Engine collects reported data addresses used in scams. Oh. Interesting. Let's check their Twitter. Always check the Twitter, Discord. No, I don't want that. I'm not going to sign in right now because I don't need to. So this is... Looks like they're putting out scam alerts. Interesting. So they don't really have much of anything. I guess since they started earlier this year. I don't know. There's just not a lot on here. But we can... It's an interesting... interesting project. There's just not a lot. Reports. Yeah, interesting. Got to keep away. Got to find ways of preventing scammers, and that seems like a good way to go. Lido Nation, aggregation of existing Catalyst proposals, results, feedbacks, and many more. I'm not really sure what projects this is. 4. Okay, just funding for different projects and proposal. Interesting. I'm not going to really go through this because I'm not interested in that. Native token provides insights into native tokens on Cardano mainnet. So list of native tokens, currently known assets and minting policies. 7 million assets, 67,000 policies. If you have the asset ID and policy and stuff. Let's see what this is. Busy. Nope. Not much of anything on here. Now that pool peak, a Cardano stake pool explorer, pool stats, you don't really need to, and staking rewards calendar, it's unless you're running a big operation and expected to make a lot, this would be a good way to figure out your rewards. Since I don't have to worry about this. I don't really stake much of my ADA. I have most of it in NFTs, sadly. But that's okay. That's okay. So OpenSea NFT and cnft.tools, which CNFT tools isn't in here under anything, but it's still a very good, very good resource. Kind of like OpenSea NFT. You go in here and search, like with the apes or Mob. Got all the analytics right here. If you're interested in that, you can go to activity, check all that out, and then the NFTs. See, these are pretty wild. Pretty wild. Working Dead. That kind of looks like a project from Ethereum. Now, you can go to analytics and stuff, and I don't really like going here because CNFT tools, it has a really awesome interface. And you can check traits and stuff like different rankings. You can change your price range. And you can select the different traits that you want. Even the trait count. Ooh. Interesting. Not sure. There you go. See, these with 11 traits on there. Now go to another project, the Boss Cats. Yeah, just go in here, look around, explore. If you have any NFTs, you can go in here and I'll look at like the boss cats. I wanted to get one that was, I think it's ranked like 16 or 1500. I don't remember exactly, but I just went into the price that I was willing to look at. Let's see, what is it? 2000 ADA. I think I paid like 1600 for mine. Sorry. Let's see. Check the rankings. Yeah. So a lot of these, you can check and see if you can get a good deal on them. Like, let's see, some of these, like right here, 1485. You get a pretty good ranked cat for much cheaper than you would any of these other guys. So that's pretty cool. So it's a cool way to come in here and find deals. That the other one, I will say CNFT Jungle. They do have that sniping, which I don't get access. Oh, I guess you can't. Oh, you got to buy the Hunter Pass. Ooh. Okay. About 150 bucks or so. What is that in ADA right now? About a quarter. Yeah, 156. Actually not bad. I mean, if that can help you ooh. Okay. So you get different features with these passes too. Okay. Neat. Neat. Invite only. Yep. So I guess. Oh, and another thing. One thing I forgot. So when you connect a wallet, like I have my Eternal wallet right here, you can. Oh, they don't offer Yoroi. But in order for me to connect, see, it says switch to Eternal browser extension and activate a DApp account. So what I need to do is go here to my Eternal wallet. I need to click on it, go to this little guy right here, this little plug, and click it. You see it's activated now. Or I guess you could just have gone right here, and then it just connect as your DApp account. But this is the easiest way to do it right here. And then you come back here, connect wallet, click on your Eternal, boom. Confirm connection request by a DApp, and ensure that that one's the right one. Yes. Allows reading your balance and prompting to sign transactions. You'll be able to review a transaction before signing. Basically, it's giving the website the ability to interact with your wallet. So now I'm connected. Go to my portfolio, and you will see I don't have anything because it's a test wallet. And if you have stuff in here, it'll show up your different assets. And then if you want, wallet logout, what I recommend, and then disconnect from here. Another one I wanted to just kind of go over is JPEG Store, jpeg.store. This is, let's go back and connect our wallet, connect to site. I don't know if Yoroi has that feature. Okay, yeah. Yoroi, you have to do the same thing as well. But they don't have Yoroi here. Weird. Yeah, same thing. This is the JPEG store. This is for NFT purchases, NFT marketplace. You can see the explore collectibles, create collectibles, royalties paid, trading volume, unique wallets, new to Cardano. Here's a view guide, I guess. We'll kind of go in intro to Cardano NFTs. What's an NFT? A digital item, image that people can own and trade with each other. The primary innovation that makes NFTs so special is that they have a unique ID on the blockchain. If you uploaded an exact replica of an existing NFT, the ID would give away that it is a counterfeit. This has led to all sorts of new use cases for digital art. Why Cardano? Compared to other blockchains like Ethereum, Cardano is built to be more secure, scalable, and environmentally friendly. On Ethereum, the transaction fees for purchasing an NFT can easily cost more than the NFT itself. And that's a big problem. Transactions on Cardano cost mere cents and use less energy than a few Google searches. Cardano is revolutionary because it's able to accomplish these impressive feats without giving up decentralization, which is one of the most important aspects of a cryptocurrency. Decentralization is important for having a currency that isn't owned or controlled by an exclusive set of insiders. Setting up a wallet, kind of went over that, where you can store your NFTs and your crypto. And we've gone through that, adding your crypto wallet. If you don't know how to do that, we'll go into a deeper dive on exchanges. But buying NFTs, you can basically just click the button and put your password in and sign the transaction, and then it's yours. Selling, similar, you just sell and they take a certain fee and you list it, and it's pretty simple. I think the most difficult thing is getting your crypto from an exchange to your wallet. That's the hardest part, and setting up your wallet. I guess that's not the hardest part, but it's just the most obscure thing, because it's not really, I don't know how to explain it. A lot of people think it's magic, but it's very simple. So let's look at some of these. Cornucopia's Cheeky Racer. I don't know what these are, but we're gonna add a lot of volume. Ooh. Wow. That was looking at some of these, but holy cow. Cornucopia's is pretty interesting. It's a metaverse and gaming project. So like I said before, we'll go and look at these. You can go in and you can search the properties, check their rank. Let's check out the boss. These boss ranks. Only a couple for sale. We'll check one. And now you can buy Ethereum and Solana and credit card. Oh, wow. So 12.5K for 50K ADA. So you can do come in here if you like it. You can buy with ADA, and we don't have. Oh yeah. So you have to set collateral in here. And doing that, you go to settings, collateral, and then you set collateral. It's usually 5 ADA. So I don't have any ADA in here, but essentially you can go in there and buy. You got 50K on the spot. 50K Cardano, 12K actual US dollars. Check another one. Pond Theta collection. Don't know what this is. Looks weird. And a lot of these are just not great. I mean, they're just... I don't know what the reasoning behind a lot of these projects are, but it's kind of funny. Buy with a credit card. Let's see what that is like. Interesting. I'm just gonna check this out. Oh, whoa. Interesting. I'm gonna have to look more into this. Because if you can buy with a credit card on here, that's pretty wild. That's pretty freaking wild. Very cool. Very cool. Hey, gotta check out a couple others that, yeah. Just checking a couple that I'm in. That's pretty cool. Cornucopias. Yeah, the bubble jets I still got a couple of them. Yeah, you want to find projects that are building. This is a massive game and metaverse that they're building, which is actually really cool. It's actually really cool. Let's check out the website. But don't forget, when you leave, go to your profile. Okay, never mind. You can just close out of here and go to here, your wallet, disconnect. Now, Cornucopias is pretty cool. Yeah, it's an open world MMO game. Let's see, it's animated, pretty cool. I wanna find some pictures of this, some video. Yeah, here you go. It's not really a great image of the game, but we can check out the YouTubes. The tubes. This came out about a month ago.
Enormous realms and build out your property. The lands in Cornucopias are busy with commerce and play. Entrepreneurs are creating PvP games. Content creators are streaming in unique and engaging ways. Musicians are hosting interactive concerts, all using our many different building kits to create their own space using our custom domes. Our metaverse entity, the Bubbleverse, onboards mainstream brands to offer them access to new value and community, where conversely we get new players from theirs. Guilds, DAOs, racing, and esports.
Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. I mean, you see the jet on there. It's just freaking zooming through. Those bubble jets you can drive around. These are domes that you can own as like districts and stuff. You can have races. I mean, look at this. It gives me some Star Wars vibes, man. So freaking cool. We'll go hang out in cornucopias. So this is another really cool project that's more than just an NFT project, but it's a massive, massive multiplayer online game. Let's see what. Let me dive into a couple more DAO tools. Something if you're building a DAO, a roundtable, a open source multi-sig DApp for the Cardano blockchain. Multi-sig is basically you have multiple people that have to sign a transaction in a wallet, making it harder for one single person to steal funds from the wallet. So Roundtable is a DAO. Communities is a DAO, communities open source, multi-signature DApp on Cardano blockchain. It aims at making multi-sig easy and intuitive for everyone. This project is designed and developed with decentralization in mind. All the libraries and tools were chosen in favor of decentralization. There is no server to keep your data. Your data is your own. It runs on your browser just like any other light wallets. You could also run it on your own PC easily. So I don't really know much else about that. I guess new treasury. Okay. Yeah, if you Roundtable V2. Okay. Yeah, so multi-sig can be very, very beneficial, especially if you get hacked. And yeah, just another tool in the toolkit. Voltaire allows everyone in the ecosystem to create a poll. Vote Air. Sorry, I'm thinking Voltaire. Yeah, all results are weighted. All proposals and votes are stored publicly on chain. If you need a voting platform, maybe our elections need to follow something a little more secure. So let's check out some ballots right now. Let's check out some ballots. They're all tests. Should Pete create a video apology for eating pineapple on pizza? That's good. That's good. This ballot determines if Pete should record a video with apologies for desecrating pizza with pineapple. Pete is a Cardano ambassador, state pool operator, and YouTuber. He hosts Learn Cardano YouTube channel and a podcast on Spotify where he breaks down the technical aspects of Cardano. Oh, should Pete create an apology video? No, 5 votes to 4. There's nothing wrong with Pete. With it, Pete is a legend. Oh man, that's funny. That's really funny. Vote is complete. How's it weighted? Yeah, so if you want to create a funny best type of cannabis, ooh, here you go. Sativa, have to agree with that. Indica hybrid. Rudarials? Okay. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I guess let's check some active ones. Nothing completed. Upcoming. That's pretty neat. Little voting site. And I think, yeah, we'll touch on a few of these and jump out of here. But we went over Muesli Swap, Sunday Swap. ADAX Pro is a decentralized digital assets exchange built on Cardano. Same with MinSwap. It's a multi-pool decentralized exchange. NuFi Wallet. It's basically a wallet with in-app decentralized exchange. And Wing Riders, native and fast automated market maker. We'll check some of these out. Oh, we got. Looks like we gotta hook back in. Go ahead and connect. So this is ADAX. Basically a very simple, clean, decentralized exchange. You can go in here and provide liquidity. You can swap. You can farm, basically stake your tokens or provide your tokens to a pool, and you get a certain percentage. But it's locked for however long you set that parameter for. There's some other staking tokens. You can add liquidity, like I said. In this, you can get a certain return on your investment. Essentially like a little savings or bank account, a savings account. You definitely want to check and make sure that it's total value locked. I mean, it's very low. So this doesn't seem like a great place to do this, but it's another place to park some stuff. MinSwap, haven't been on here. Governance, trading view chart, reversible price and limit order. Similar, decentralized application. Add liquidity, you receive your liquidity pool tokens, which represent your share of the total pool. I don't have liquidity. What is zapping? Zap in is an easy way to provide liquidity when you only have one token of the pair. Zap might cause small amounts of slippage. You can trade for other tokens on the ecosystem. Go to liquidity as before. You can go to farm and stake your liquidity tokens to earn other tokens. So it's kind of you're taking tokens from another pool and using it to earn tokens in another pool. So it's you're kind of double dipping, which is cool. So these are all the pairs that you can help provide liquidity to. These are all a bunch of projects. WMT, LQ, Min, AADA, MELD, Indie, Society, Ajax, Pavia. They're all projects in the Cardano ecosystem, so that's what these are. These are just the price of Cardano to the price of Min. Launch Bowl, I'm not sure what this is. A launch bowl brought to you by Cats for everyone. Offers promising projects some of the most potent DeFi primitives to launch and increase their liquidity. How it works. Participants study ADA, entering the pool of price discovery and liquidity bootstrapping. Participants receive LP tokens from the ADA supplied, which they can use to farm. So these are the ones that were just recently completed. Oh wow, these a while ago. Mocha Sea Planet. Yeah, that's mint swap. You can see total value locked here is a lot higher than that other one. I mean, these are in the millions of ADA, not 1,000. So this is a way, way more secure place to go to do your DeFi, NuFi. Not, I guess you got to have the web wallet or install the browser extension. Let's see if it pops up. Okay, I'm not gonna go in here and create a new wallet already. Just kind of look at and it's good when these wallets support Trezor, Ledger, and other hardware wallets, because you can just automatically send to and from those devices. Wing Riders haven't been on here before. Let's check their Twitter, see how legit they be. Okay, so they have 38K, joined last year, 1,300 tweets. I can dig it. I can dig it. It's a nice little number. So let's check the app. Let's check this app. Need a wallet. Wallet say support. And yep. And you can also use NuFi. How do you create wallet? Got that. I agree. Connect your wallet. Eternal. We'll go ahead and connect to this site. And all of these decentralized exchanges are very similar. They're all very similar. They have the token swap ability. You can swap your Cardano for whatever. Wing Riders. Actually, what is one Cardano for? Okay, so it's almost 75 cents. Almost 75 cents. IUSD, MAD USD. Interesting. I don't know what MAD USD is, but yeah, you go in here, swap your tokens, go to liquidity. You can add to the liquidity pool in here. See what the total volume. Okay. Total value locked. So 29 million. That's better. Still nothing like the like Mint Swap. Sunday Swap and Muesli Swap are definitely the top two. So check those before you come fooling around in here. You can gain. You got your staking, farming. Competitions is new. Wow. So trading volume competition. And this guy's killing it. Governance. Get your voting on proposals. WRT. Okay. This is about the token itself. Oh, and this just takes you to the NFT JPEG store, community portal, stuff from the community, and transactions. So if it were me, I would stick with these two, Muesli Swap, Sunday Swap, and have a better total value locked, better security. You don't want, in here where there's not really any liquidity. But that will be it for today on this journey through the Cardano ecosystem. Next video, we'll keep chugging away at this. We'll probably make this like a 4 or 5 part series, just going into all these. But I know it's kind of boring. Some of these are kind of boring, but others are very interesting. Once you dive into the ecosystem and start buying NFTs and using certain things, then it'll all start coming together. But that'll be it for me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Until next time, peace.